What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're down here in Kings Mountain at the Boulders again, where the comp was held a couple weeks ago. I was restrained on time that day and didn't get to run many of these lines, so I just come back out here to check it out. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Here's one of the lines I was kind of impressed with. See some trucks running. I doubt my truck will run it, but it was pretty impressive. They would just jump right up on that rock. And yeah, my truck ain't gonna do it. Let's try it again. Oh, it's carrying the front wheels too much. Whoa, I thought it was gonna go that time. Oh, almost. Can't really, well, I should be wearing the camera on my head, but if you see, it's almost just like a straight up. Oh, let's go over here and try some of these other lines. We'll come back to this one. Oh, this is a heck of a line here. It's like something out of a horror movie. And right here was where most people had the problem with. Their truck would just do all kind of stuff, kind of like what my truck's doing. This is it's like when you get down in that hole, it just wants to lift. So you kind of have to sink, I guess sink both of them. No, that ain't gonna work either. Oh! Yeah, that hit me in the leg. Yeah, there's a lot of good trucks down here that day. These are some tough lines. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You know you want it as bad as I do. Come on. Crawl up out of there. There we go. Yes, sir. Nice. Awesome. Now let's see if we can get up in there without breaking our neck. Safety first, guys. Oh. All right, we're gonna try to come down this ridge and then go back up it. It's a pretty gnarly, sharp ridge. Ooh. Well, it's the fastest way down. It wasn't the way I was wanting to go down. There we go. We finally got somewhere. We've seen finding the line. And then right when you got up here, this was the hard part. right up here, getting up through this. I can't remember where the gates exactly was. The servo is giving way, man. Oh, I think I broke something. See that right front tire is turning more than the left one. All right, here's what happened. We lost a screw out the top of our knuckle, and the way I noticed it is because the tires wasn't in sync when it was turning. One was going way out further than the other. So you see it right in there, we lost that screw. So we brought another truck with us. We're gonna get the Capra out and do a little ripping with the Capra, see what it do. Okay, we got the Capra back out, so we're gonna try it. I mean, we got the Capra out because the other truck broke. Oh, it was doing a little bit better. But it turned the back flip. Ooh. I think you got to get up on the rock and then let off of it. I'm going to have to learn these lines. No, I ain't going to do that. Capra's a no-go too. So that just goes to show you exactly what these boys was doing that day. They wasn't playing, man. I'm gonna try it one more time, then we're gonna go to some other rocks. Capra's got a lot wider axles than the other truck. Oh, Capra made it look easy, but it ain't that easy. Oh yeah, Capra hooked that like it wasn't no problem. Are we too far over? I believe we might can get that. Yeah, yes sir. Nice, nice. Way to go, Mr. Capra. Okay, right here, going up this ridge was the other line. I'm kind of worried about it because if you fall off, you probably got, I don't know, a 12-foot drop. You're gonna probably hit that tree, then bounce into that rock. But we're gonna go ahead and try it since we're here. I'm not trying to outdo anybody on these rocks, which you can see I can't do that. But I am trying to get a feel for these rocks. I can tell you one thing, these rocks grip a whole lot better than river rocks. But this is a lot steeper than most of the stuff I climb on. I think I'm in too tight right there. I believe I am. I'm gonna have to back up. Yeah, I think the line was right up through here. Oh, you gotta get past that little ridge right there. You don't want to get your back tire hung on it for sure. It was something like that. I'm sure that's nowhere close to it. Then we come across this somehow, and I done got all hung up, and I can't tell. I think it's a sheer drop off on the other side. Yeah. Oh, at least it landed on its wheels. So yeah, this is a lot tougher than it looks. And this truck wouldn't be legal either. Just in case you're thinking any crazy thoughts. Ooh, man, this is an awesome course. It's almost too much overdrive. Now this right here is what I couldn't see it from over there, so I don't really know exactly what you're up against here. Yeah, I'm gonna need a different tire, and they don't need to be stretched out like this. But we did get up it. Awesome. Down here, I think they had a gate set up down here that you come through. It was just a simple gate. Right up through here, so it wasn't that hard. Let's go see if we can find some other lines. Now we're trying this in the Capra. We ain't gonna do as good as them guys. I've never comped. This is my first time running a truck down here. I've never been down here. Oh, awesome. But I think we're gonna start doing some comping because it looked like fun. I think them guys run up through here. Where did they go? They made their way. Yeah, I know they made their way right up through here because I was in their way. And I think this was the line. I believe something up through here. As you can see, this truck makes it look easy because this ain't a truck, it's a Capra. It's stretched out. It's got Team Garage Hack Wild Overdrive in the front. Look how big this rock is. This is just crazy. Right into the sun we drive. I can't see up there, so I'm gonna try to turn around without flipping back down this gigantic hill. Oh. Oh, here we come. Get out of the way. I'm gonna go back down here and pick my stuff up. We'll go see what else we can find up here. Up here. Oh, there's a line right here too. I forgot about this little spot. I can't remember. Oh, it was right over here. This is it. This is a line right here. I forgot all about it. Ooh. Passenger rear's getting hung up, ain't it? Oh, another fail. Big 0 for Big Head. Well, you can tell that day there's some good trucks down here and some good drivers. So we're gonna go down here and get our stuff up and see if we can find some more rocks. Get out here before it gets too hot. It's been like, I don't know, the heat index has been like 105 about every day. I think it's only supposed to be like 102 today. All right, we got the camera back mounted down low on the bottom of the controller. I guess about every 2 or 3 years, there's somebody that dies on a mountainous part of this park doing rock climbing, because it's real dangerous down here. You can get miles out into the woods by yourself. What reminded me of it is I just heard the wind blew a little bit, and I heard a pine tree crack. It sounded like a pine tree. That's probably all that's around me. And I just thought about a widowmaker. You know, that'd be what could take you out in this area. Just an old dead tree leaning up against another tree, and here comes a big breeze of wind, and the next thing you know, hopefully you'll be in a better place. But let's try some of these other rocks one way over this way. This is an awesome place, man. I don't know what's down in here. Go down here and see. Big old slabs. Oh, there's a line back here that I found the other day with the ghost truck. I don't know if the Capra will do it or not, but we can try. So this line right here, the ghost truck. Ooh. Put my headgear back on. I have no idea what's up there, y'all, but that thing is just about straight up. Use this little into the woods. He's like just rocks and rocks and rocks and rocks. And over here looks like a little cave opening. I guess we was on the other side of that a few minutes ago. Yeah. It's just like this big rock is resting on this other rock. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I think it's about 10 o'clock and it's probably already 90, 96, 97 degrees. But just remember, till next time, I love you, but God loves you more.